All right, happy Tuesday. Today our lesson is over perimeter and area. Okay, so you're about to do a Nearpod assignment that asks you to draw a rectangle that has a perimeter of something and an area of something. So I'm going to show you how to do that. First, you need to remember, what is perimeter? Perimeter is adding all sides. Okay, so if I had a square like this, and I put 2, 2, 2, and 2, okay, each side is 2. The way to find the perimeter would be 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, and that equals 8. Okay, so perimeter is add all sides. What is area? We talk about this a lot. Area is BH. What does that mean when we see that BH? B stands for base and H stands for height. Now, why are they right next to each other? Because that means to multiply. Okay, so the way to find area is to do the base times the height. Now, let's read our question. It says, draw a rectangle that has a perimeter of 24 units and an area of 36 square units. So I need to figure out some numbers that add up to 24. Okay, so if I have a rectangle, the two sides opposite each other have to add up, right? So let's say I put 10 on this side, I have to put 10 on the other side. 10 plus 10 is 20. So then I could put, I still have 4 units left, so I could put 2 on this side and 2 on this side. So 10 plus 2 plus 10 plus 2 equals 24. Okay, so we can write that down. 10 plus 10 plus 2 plus 2. But what about area? Area is base times height. So if I do 10 times 2, does that equal 36? No, 10 times 2 equals 20. So that's not right. Let's think about some other numbers. What else could I put? What if I put 9 on this side and 9 on this side? 9 plus 9 is 18. But I want it to be 24. So 24 minus 18 is 6. So I need to find half of 6. I can put half of 6 on this side, which is 3, and half of 6 on this side, which is 3. So 9 plus 9 is 18 plus 3 is 21 plus 3 more is 24. So is 9 times 3 36? Let's get out our calculator and see. 9 times 3 equals 27. Okay, so that's not it. Okay, so I've done 9 and 10. What about, let's just keep going down. Let's just do 8. 8 on this side, 8 on this side. Okay, so we know 8 plus 8 is 16. So 24 minus 16. Let's get out our calculator. 24 minus 16 equals 8. We need to find half of 8. Divide by 2, which is 4. So let's do that. Is 8 times 4 36? Let's see. 8 times 4 equals 32. All right. What about, so now we've done 8. We've done 8 plus 8 plus 4 plus 4. Okay, so let's try some different numbers. All right, what about 7 and 7? 7 and 7 is 14. So 24 minus 14, let's see. 24 minus 14 is 10. Well, let's put 10. Well, hang on. We need half of 10. Half of 10. Divide by 2. 10 divided by 2 equals 5. So let's put 5 on this side and 5 on this side. So now we have 7 plus 7 plus 5 plus 5. Now let's see if the area is 36. So we're going to do 5 times 7. We're going to get 35. Whew, that's close, but not yet. All right, let's try again. What if I do 6 on this side and 6 on this side? 6 plus 6 is 12. 24 minus 12 equals 12. 12 divided by 2 is 6. So this would actually be a square, but a square is also a rectangle. So now we have 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. Now let's see, for our area, if 6 times 6 is 36. 6 times 6 equals 36. Woohoo! We did it. So now we have a rectangle that has a perimeter of 24 and an area of 36. Now I need to draw it. Okay, so I'm going to have 6 units there and 6 units here. So now you see this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so our rectangle is from here to here because that's 6, and then from here to here is also 6. So there's 6 and there's 6. So that is how you find the perimeter and area. You just have to keep trial and error until you find the numbers that it's asking for.